Ah, Bootsy. She rolls around in the dirt instead of on the nice clean cardboard or cleaner cardboard. They were exploring the, oh look, there goes Bootsy. I'll bring catnip on Friday. Oh, by the way, today's Thursday, I think. So, Junior was here. I think he went to look for Blackie. I did call him quite a bit. But he's usually last to arrive. Look at Bootsy. She's like inspecting everything. She's like, oh, there's apartments here. Maybe I want one. Yeah, I throw some catnip in there, they're going to be in. Look at how cute.